So before I animate, I may want to make sure that everything is where I want it. I really don't like this off-centered, so maybe I want to center this. So when you move something, you'll see these lines. I'm going to go ahead and change the color in here so this way you can see the line I'm talking about. So when you move something over, these dots along the side are your horizontal and vertical lines. When you get this red crosshair here, it means that it's centered. So that you don't have to worry about. It helps you to center everything. You can actually center things with each other in relation to each other. You can also center things in relation to the entire slide. So if I choose to move this, you're going to see that line appear. All right, there I am. But now I think, to move over a little bit. It's like a balance game, but you have to find it some way. It's over here and over there. So that would be in the center of the entire slide. So let's look at something here. Maybe I want my things on my page to do some funky stuff. Here's what animation has to offer. If you see definitions and then you want kids to predict what the word is, you can have the words come in on a click. If we're not familiar with that and don't remember how to do that, you are inserting the animation in what you have selected. So the animation here, this is animated, that's going to be, so the video is going to play first. If I click on this, I might want it to fade in. Maybe I want it to fade in. Maybe I want it to fly in from the left. So these are all the options that you have. You know how the kids like to make things spin and, they make everything spin. They make everything fly in. So that. Now, I can do a few things here. I can click on this, and then I'm going to add animation. So that means after I click this, it'll be this one. Then I'm going to click on this. What used to take much longer in PowerPoint is actually less time consuming here. And then I'll click on that. And then I'll click on this and add animation. Now let's say when you go into present mode and you try it all out, you're like, oh, it got messed up. There was a glitch or whatever. How am I going to fix that? Oh, there is a very easy remedy for that. Again, my lovely computer is a little slow. I even have full Wi-Fi. When you go into present mode, you can actually click through as if you were presenting to the kids. So therefore, oh, what happened to my video? So clearly, this one came up and then this one came up. So all you have to do is click escape to get out of present mode. Okay. So maybe I don't like the order. I don't know why that happened because they're not in that order. But did you know that if you get the little hand, you can move them in whatever order you need? So this is a game changer, that it's so easy to just manipulate which one you want. And then you would go ahead and check again if it's in the order that you now want. So that's the basic animations. A slide transition is how you want the slides to change from slide to slide. Right now, I'm only working on one slide. How do I get a new slide? This is a shortcut right here. I can add a new slide by simply clicking the plus sign. Maybe I don't want this layout, so I'm going to go to this layout and I'm going to pick blank. Or maybe I want to kind of work with what I already have. If I right click on my slide, I can duplicate my slide. It will take everything exactly as it is and make a copy of the entire slide. These little circles here are indications to you that there is animation on these slides. So that is the basics of animation.